Hi, this is the help video for Access Chapter 8. Let's see, we're working on PrepareCaseB, step number 7. We're going to find an unmatched query using the wizard. So in this case, we're going to do query wizard, find unmatched. So remember, the unmatched is where you see everything in one table and then whatever you want, and then if there is something missing in the second table, that's what you see. So in this case, we're going to do employees who don't have anything on their schedule, right? Because remember, an inner join would just show the employees who have something on their schedule. What we want is those that don't. So the first table is we're going to show the records in the employee and then schedule if it has. So let's do employee, and then we want the schedule. It's based on employee ID, which is good. And then what fields do we want? Employee first name and last name. And we're going to call this QRY Unmatched 1. And we have 2, Mariah Paul and Brenda Rodriguez. And that is correct. So we're going to go ahead and save that and close that one out. So that shows you your employees who don't have anything on their schedule. All right, so now we're going to do another query, unmatched again, show the records from service, and then schedule for anything related or not found, I guess. So a service that hasn't been scheduled. So let's create a query wizard, unmatched. So in this case, we want to use the service. So that lists all of our available services. Then we want to pick schedule, which is going to show us, because this is an unmatched, this is going to show us which services have not been ever scheduled. Service ID is the common field. And then we want service name and description. And we're going to call this QRY Unmatched 2. And these are the items that have not ever. Okay, so I switch back over to design because we're not done with this, but we're done with step 8. So let's look at step 9. Switch to design view, which I already did. In the criteria row of the service field, where it says is null, we're going to say is not null. And then we're going to add a fee schedule to the grid. So we're going to zoom and we're going to put fee in there. And it's going to be called gross revenue. Okay. So now if I run it, I get the individual, right? So I have 53. Now what I want to do is put the total row in there, and we're going to sum this fee. Let's run it now. So now I get one row for one row for each record that for service name, and then we're going to have a total or a sum of the revenue brought in by that service. So we started with the unmatched and we end up with this. Okay, let's go ahead and save that, and we're good. Let me just verify. We got 24 records. That is perfect. All right, so we're done with this. We're done with this assignment. You can go ahead and submit it. Thank you.